Hi, fellow Django developers. Ezekiel here from alwaysdjango.com, where we discuss interesting Django topics that helps you grow, improve as a Django developer. If that sounds interesting, like, subscribe, share this video with anyone if you find this video important. Let's get into it, right? So I'm super excited. I don't know if you can tell from my voice. I'm super excited to announce, to tell all of us that our Django Absolute Beginner playlist has been completed, right, officially. So if you made it to this point, I'm saying congrats, congratulations, big congrats to you. You are the man, right? You are the star, you are the man, you are the woman, whatever. So like most people cannot actually make it to, most people cannot really watch a complete video, right? Most people cannot really look at one video right here and watch it completely, right? But for you, if you actually watched all the video or most of the videos and you made it to, you started from what Django is to what it, you started from the playlist preview to what is Django, to creating applications, then to deployment, to authentication, to deployment, etc. I'm saying very big congrats, right? And like, we covered a lot, right? We covered really a lot. And if you have watched all this video here, I think you are no longer a beginner Django programmer, you are an intermediate Django programmer, right? So we started from the preview, playlist preview, to what is Django, to creating a Django project, Django URLs and views, understanding what Django applications are, how to render Django templates properly, Django template variables, Django models and database, Django forms, handling push requests, Django messages framework, looping over database queries, template inheritance, user creation, that's authentication, user login authentication, logout authentication, user permissions, data, Django admin panel, updating and deleting query sets with generic views, authentication and authorization implemented, static files, then finally to the deployment, right? So if you made it to this point, congrats, right? Congrats, you are now an intermediate Django developer, right? So what do I think? What next after this playlist, right? So after this playlist, this is not everything you need to know in Django. Obviously, I think we know that this is not everything you need to know in Django. There are many things you need to know in Django. Like off the top of my head, you have to know at least, like, you have to look at media files, how to upload files, download files, etc. Right? You have to look at Django REST framework, right? Which you have already started the playlist. We have already started a playlist on Django REST framework, right? Useful to build API. I already uploaded the first video, right? For the playlist, that's the playlist preview, right? Playlist preview for Django REST framework absolute beginner tutorials, right? So well, after this playlist, after this Django beginner playlist, I think you should keep growing, right? Like, obviously you should keep growing. I think you should pick up a project, right? Pick up a very simple project, or you can replicate what you have already done, right? The kind of bookshop application, right? Or maybe you can pick up a kind of a blog website, a blog project, right? It's as simple as creating two applications, the user application, the blog application. Then you create an interface where the user can be creating blogs. Then you also implement authentication, right? For now, I think that's okay. Maybe you can try the deployment, right, on Railway, right? Obviously, because it's free, you try the deployment, right? Then if you are not subscribed, you should be subscribed, right? I can't stress that enough, right? If you're looking at improving in Django, becoming a prolific Django developer, this is the one-stop YouTube channel for you, right? We are discussing everything in Django, right? That I'm not selling online courses. So everything I know in Django, all the knowledge I have in Django, I'm pouring it into this Django this YouTube channel, right? So if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I can't stress it again. You need to be subscribed, right? Like, we have already started the Django REST framework tutorial. we'll be looking at, after the Django REST framework, we'll look at Django and React, right? We'll look at Django and React and Redux, right? Maybe we'll look at Redux and React Redux. I'll do a crash course on React Redux, React Toolkit, and React Redux Toolkit, so that we understand that. Then we'll go into Django and React, right, with Django REST framework as the API. That was why I decided to discuss Django REST framework before that playlist, right? So after the Django REST framework, we'll be looking at Django and React. We'll be looking at Django channels. We'll be looking at everything we need to understand about Django is on this channel. So if you are not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what else to say, right? After this, watching this playlist and you don't feel like subscribing to this channel, man, I don't know. So subscribe to the channel, keep developing, keep growing. Tech Up is, like, right now, after watching all these videos, I think it should be 21 videos, right? So the first one is the playlist preview. So let's say 20 videos, right, from what is Django to the deployment of Django. So after watching this playlist, take up a very simple, very easy project, put it out, do it, put it on your GitHub, deploy it if possible, put it on your GitHub and stuff like that. Subscribe to the channel, turn off the bell notification, right, so that you'll be informed when we release new videos. So that's it for me today, guys. Congrats again, congrats, very big congrats again on completing this playlist, right? You are a star, right? You are a hero and you are an intermediate Django developer. So take care of yourself and keep growing, and I'm proud of you. That's it for me today, guys. Peace.